Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I definitely think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3. Definitely still looking at that 161.8 Fibonacci extension, which is really not too far away at this point. Definitely looking at around the 2550 area. Maybe it'll end the wave 3 there, make a wave 4, and then go back up again for a wave 5 to complete the trend that started way back here. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is most likely is the 1, this is the wave 2, and we're in subdivisions of a 3. That's why we have a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we're likely in that wave 5 of 3. The 61% Fibonacci extension of wave 3 projected out the bottom of wave 4 lines up really well with the monthly time frame Fibonacci extension right around that 2550 area. So definitely looking at that as a very likely area to end a wave 3. So heading down to the daily time frame, we just recently broke highs, so we're back into all-time highs on gold. That may cause a pullback. It may or may not cause a pullback, but if it does cause a pullback, that's actually great news for us because that will give us another opportunity to go long again at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, this little line right here represents all-time highs. This really doesn't have to make much of a pullback. I mean, it could literally just make a little pullback like this or like this and just keep on trending up. I am definitely looking for longs, especially on shorter time frames. I'm looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of an impulsive move down. We do have a little bit of a breaker structure, which is why I think that, and we have new all-time highs. So it does make sense that this would make a pullback with all those things put together like that. Maybe end up doing something like this. Definitely doesn't have to make a proper pullback like this. I mean, it easily could just keep on trending up, especially because I think we're in a wave 3 of wave 5 on the much higher time frames. But if it does make a nice proper pullback like this, if it does break down, you can throw your Fibonacci retracement on there, look for three-way pullbacks, look for impulsive engulfing moves to the upside, look for breaks of structure at Fibonacci levels, and that's exactly what I would be looking for more entries to go long for the continuation of this wave 3 of wave 5. My target for this wave 3 of wave 5 is right around the 2550, 2560 area. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.